welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to us all. And today in this video we'll be making a pineapple banana smoothie. So I have my pineapple washed and diced here. I've separated the middle and the back, so I'm just gonna set this aside. I'll use this for my zobo drink. So right here I have my ginger blended already. You can as well make use of the fresh ginger if you like, but I have mine blended already. And then I have my banana here. I have 5 pieces of banana, so I'll be slicing or dicing this as well into the blender. So the next step now is to pour in my pineapple into the blender and also the banana, and then add little ice or chilled water. That's if you're taking it chilled. You can add ice if your blender can crush ice. So now I'll be adding the banana also into the blender. So here it is, I'm blending it already. So this method is just a method you can use when you don't have a smoothie maker or a juicer. It is going to come out fine, just like you expect your smoothie to be. So now I'm just gonna pour it into my mixer. That's my bowl right here. It's washed and it's clean already. I'm just going to pour it in there and then repeat the same process again. So just sit back and watch the video till the end. So I'm just going to repeat the same process again. Add little ice or very chilled water, then also add a little bit of ginger and then blend. So now we are almost done. I'm just going to pour this second batch into the bowl and then we'll move on to the next step. So now I'm just going to get another bowl and a strainer. This is my strainer right here. You can see the outcome of what we have. It's not totally smooth. So I have my jug here. So I'm just going to pour in my already blended pineapple and banana juice, and I'm going to strain it or sieve it out. So this sieve I'm using here is not too fast, so I had to turn it into another strainer with a hole that is a little bit wider. So here it is, and you can see the puree that is on it after separating it from the smoothie itself. So this is how it's gonna be. I'm just gonna set aside this puree or shaft that we have at the top. I'm going to use it for my zobo drink later. So you can see what we have here. That's how our smoothie is going to be, smooth as expected. And okay, so I'm just gonna set this aside, like I said, for my zobo drink. And finally our smoothie is ready. You can, if you use ice in blending, you can just serve it chilled. And if you made it with just a room temperature water, you can just keep in your refrigerator and serve chilled. You can enjoy it with any snacks of your choice. You can take it alongside with your snacks or your after your meal or before meal. Use it to relaxation. So this brings us to the end of this video.